Hello, this is a tips and tricks for how to make your text and links accessible. So we are continuing on looking at how to make our pages, our course pages, accessible. And so what we have on the screen is an example of a possible course page that needs to be made accessible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point out things that are problematic and we are going to fix them. First of all, we have several places where I'm seeing some underlined words. These underlined words are simply done for emphasis, but this is not accessible. You should never underline words. And the reason why is because anytime there is an underline, it means that it's a link. And so links will naturally create an automatic underline when someone hovers over that link. And so you don't want to confuse screen readers. And therefore, it's a really good practice not to underline any words. I'm also noticing that there is some bolding within the text. See bolding of California, bolding of California, bolding of California. This is problematic. If you're going to bold something, you should actually bold an entire sentence, not just a word. So that is the best practice. I'm also noticing another problem if we're looking at italicizing. Essentially what this person has done is they have italicized entire sentences. This is another practice that is not done well on this page. If you're going to italicize, you should only italicize individual words, not an entire sentence. So if there's a word or two that you want to make stand out, then you can italicize it in that sort of situation. Other things that I'm noticing is that here it says follow this link. This is descriptive, but you can simply say chapter 2 PowerPoint. And then of course we need to link this and then click here, chapter 2 instructor's lecture. We of course would want to link that, but we can make this a descriptive text. Instead of saying click here, we can just say, the instructor chapter 2 instructor's lecture. So let's go ahead and start editing. So what I would recommend to someone if I received a page such as this is I would say, the California that's bold in here, we can end up italicizing it. I would eliminate all underlined words. If those are important, they can always italicize them. Any sort of long sentence, it should not be italicized, but you could bold a long sentence. So if you wanted to, you can bold an entire long sentence. This California over here, best practice is to italicize. Remove the bold. You have another one here, a long sentence of italicis. That should just be bolden if that's necessary. And then another underline here. Perhaps they really want to emphasize this, so I would just say italicize it if you're trying to emphasize it. This California here, italicize it instead of having a single bold. And then links. So follow this link, chapter 2 PowerPoint. First of all, this is a PDF. And so I would remove the follow this link and I would just put a PDF here. And then of course you would want to attach a link. So I'm going to find a random link of a PDF. There we go. We're going to upload that and then that will link that together. And then instead of click here, you don't need that because that's repetitive. And then you just want to make sure that you link to the instructor's lecture. So if the instructor's lecture is actually a video, then you can link to that video. Let's go ahead and steal this right here. Oh, here it is. Go back to my screen, and then I'll end up linking this video. It's actually a YouTube video, so it's pretty amazing. All right, and here we go. We have a page that is now more accessible and is easier to read by the screen readers. So links and texts, this is how you can do it to make your work accessible.